Monique. As the festive season approaches, we at ebonymonique.com want to extend our warmest wishes to you and your loved ones. Christmas is a time of joy, gratitude, and togetherness, and we're incredibly grateful for your continued support throughout the year. May your holiday season be filled with laughter, love, and moments of cherished happiness. As you celebrate with family and friends, we hope this Christmas brings you an abundance of peace and goodwill. At ebonymonique.com, we're dedicated to serving you with the utmost care and providing you with a delightful experience. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, filled with endless blessings, joy, and prosperity. Let's remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Don't forget to subscribe below.